táyé rògbò tá ó sọ fókù nígbà tí mo fẹ́ ṣubú ó gbé mi ró ìràwọ̀ mi tó tàn ìka ayé má ṣe pa ó mo ń bẹ̀ ọ́ fún mi lóore àjẹdálẹ̀ ẹ̀yin tèmi lé èmi ọmọ yín náà ní Esther Ìgbẹ́kẹ̀lé ẹ máa wo Bísí Ológe show ètò tó kọ́ni lọ́gbọ́n ni o ikọ́ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń gbòòrò orí ètò ilẹ̀ ti máa rí gbogbo ohun tẹ́ bá fẹ́ mọ̀ pátápátá nípa àwọn eléré àtàwọn àwọn gbajúmọ̀ orí ètò ilẹ̀ ti máa rí. Don't touch the dial.
Yeah, my name is Royal Majesty Arole Oodua Ooni the Oodua Ooni Adeyeye. I'm here today to celebrate with our father, Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi, the Baba of all the Yoruba kingdom. I thank you. I thank the Lord giving you today a new day. May your day be long. May you live long for us. Your time in this world is a blessing to we all the Yoruba nation, to the generation we are today. I really thank God that in your time I am living. I wish you the best. All the whole family, royal family, may they live long. The Lord will continue to give you the strength, the wisdom, and build all power around you. We, your family, your brothers, we will support you. We will support you by the grace of God. I thank God for you, yourself. I thank God for you being our father. May you live long, your royal imperial majesty. Thank God, in day to day, we will experience it in 20 years' time, in 30 years' time, in 100 years' time, in 120 years' time. God bless you. Happy birthday once again. His Royal Highness Arole Oodua Ooni his family.
Say a very big thank you for the invite. We appreciate Baba Ooni of Ife. I wish him long life and prosperity. Thank you.
Amen. Amen. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, sir. Long life and prosperity. Thank you.
Orúkọ mi ni Arole Oodua Àṣàbí Ayédùn. Èmi ni president Yeye Bobakeye of Ife Kingdom, the Source, Ife Land and Oodua. Mo fi àsìkò yìí kí kábíyèsí Ọ̀ọ̀nìrìṣà bàbá wa Jìgbìnì bí àkún pé wọ́n kú oríire birthday wọn o bàbá àbèjì tiwa ẹ kú oríire o kábíyèsí. Mo fi gbogbo àsìkò yìí kí yín o gbogbo ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ Bobakeye kí yín ẹ kú àdúrótì gbogbo wa ní gbogbo ìgbà ẹ kú support time fún gbogbo Bobakeye ṣé kábíyèsí Arole Oodua Ooni ìyá ọba oníkọ̀ọ̀gùn tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jẹ òun ló ní yín o ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o ẹ̀mí yín máa gùn o ẹ máa pẹ́ láyé ẹ máa pẹ́ bí mo pẹ́ ṣe ń pẹ́ orí ìtẹ́yìn ò ní gbóná mọ́ yín o ẹ máa ṣọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún inú yín á dùn ọkàn yín á balẹ̀ o ẹ rí owó ṣayé ẹ ní táwọn ná Ọlọ́run á máa pèsè ní gbogbo ọ̀nà Ilé Ifẹ̀ kò ní dàrú lórí yín o Ilé Ifẹ̀ á máa dá lásìkò yín ni o ẹ ṣé o kábíyèsí kára bàbá ó lé o kẹpẹ́ fún wa o kábíyèsí o.
My name is His Royal Majesty King Professor Majesty Ojoy Inebiede GJP Abba Obazi the fourth and me Ashambo Obakweman the second of and development king Paramount King of Chuma Gadangbe, Amon Kingdom in Ghana. I have known Kabiyesi for the 4 years now, when he was even at his prime, age of his celebration as the youngest, Imperial Majesty in Africa. And then today, he has ascended to the golden, apex of birth, which is celebration of the 5th decade of his life, from birth, to adolescent and to manhood. It is the greatest privilege indeed to be here. And if I had not been here, I would have done a disservice to Kabiyesi, because the first time I met Kabiyesi was when I also visited with Mrs. Charles Taylor from Liberia. I brought her to come to pay homage to Kabiyesi. And my daughter, who is married to a Yoruba man, also was brought to Kabiyesi, and Kabiyesi blessed her and then sowed a very sumptuous seed in millions to the birthday, to the marriage. I had never received such money from a single royal man before. That spoke about the volume of his generosity. He cut across, the tribes and tongues and nations of Nigeria. He is in all over Africa. And Gadambe, which is the Ga, people of Accra, we are the aboriginal grandchildren of the Oduduwa kingdom that spread through the coast, the riverine coast. And so Amon Kingdom is one of the ancient kingdoms in the west coast of Africa, emanating from Ghana, Togo, Badagry, which is Oduduwa, to Umon, Amon in Cross River State in Nigeria. And so I sit today as the hereditary king, the first king, of the hereditary status of Amon combined with the Gadambe in diaspora. And I am, the king of 36 countries of the world and 52 Aboriginal African ancestral home. I wish Kabiyesi the best no man can give, the longest life nobody in his posterity and his progeny will ever have. Of all the 50th Ooni of Ife, he comes the 51st. Therefore, adding first to it and adding 50 to his age, I wish that he should be the first to have the longest life, the wealthiest in Africa. His wealth will be supersede Mansa Musa, of his time. He will have more wealth and spread around Africa. In Kabiyesi, we have seen the unity of Africa. South Africans were here last year, and all the rest. So we are talking about one nation, one continent, one currency, one language, one visa, and one Africa, the United States of Africa. Kabiyesi has a peace, organization to which we are promoting. I am one of the coordinators that is promoting this project. So the vision of Kabiyesi to unite Africa will come to pass in his time. He is first among equal. I respect him, I celebrate him, I honor him. And I'm coming back here again with the entire Gadambe family to come and celebrate his birthday. I am just here representing the Gadambe, kingdom. God bless you, and long live, His Royal Majesty, the Imperial Majesty, the Ojaja II, the Ooni of Ife, His my Imperial Majesty, Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi, CRF, of the Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Long live the people of Oduduwa Kingdom. Long live the people of Ife, the source. Long live, the Osun State, and long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Greetings from the gateway of Africa, Ghana. Thank you so much, Mr. Pressman. And BC Olatina, I have known you for years and I've followed you up. You are doing a wonderful, great work in Africa. Thank you for promoting the cultural heritage of Africa. God bless you.
Èmi Ọba Adéwùmí Sakaria Ọláìgbádé Olúọ̀fà Ayédè Tèmídire Ọ̀ṣungadé Málù Ṣàngó Kínní tìlú Ayédè Tèmídire. Mo kí bàbá wa Jìgbìnìbí àti Àgún àlàká ọmọ àpáàrà ẹni tí gòkè ẹ̀sìn mìíràn tó lẹ́rù ṣẹ̀gì ń pa òun. Mo kí yín bàbá, ẹ ṣọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún láyé, igba ọdún kan ni, ẹ̀mí yín tó ṣe 50 lórí èèpẹ̀, ẹ̀mí yín náà máa ṣe 100 o, àjọ máa bá yín ṣe ni bàbá, ẹ gùn lẹ́mìí, ẹ pẹ́ fún wa, ẹ kólẹ̀ Yorùbá jẹ̀pẹ́, bí pẹ́pẹ́ ṣe ń ṣe wúlé arọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ ṣe máa pẹ́ o. Bàbá, mo tún bá ti kò yí kí yín, èmi ọmọ yín, mo kí yín o. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún lẹ máa ṣe nínú owó, nínú ọlá, nínú iyì àtàsìkí. Ibi tẹ́ fẹ́ gbé ìlú lè fẹ̀ dé, tẹ́ fẹ́ gbélẹ̀ Yorùbá dé lágbàáyé, àwọn onílẹ̀ á fún yín ṣe o, wọ́n á fún yín ṣe, wọ́n á dúró tì yín, wọ́n á jẹ́ ká lè ṣe pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ o. Èmi ọba Adéwùmí Sàkáríyà Ọláyígbadé Olú of Ayédè Tèmídire Ifẹ̀, Ọ̀ṣungadé Mọ́lù Ṣàngó, mo kí yín o. Happy birthday to you, Baba.
Happy birthday to our mommy in Arias. Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome.
Soya. Mo kí everybody pé happy for you. Orúkọ mi ni Alhaji Adeyeye Enitan in Nollywood group. A wà ní Ifẹ̀ láti wá bá ọba wa Ọ̀jájá Enitan Ogunwusi ṣe 50th birthday ẹ̀ lẹ́nìí. Táàdé ń gbà ládùúrà yìí pé Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kó pẹ́ láyé jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ó yìí máa ṣe 50th lórí throne bàbá bàbá ẹ̀ lọ́lá Ọlọ́run lọ́lá. Ọba kan tí gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí ni, tó kó adájọ́ tí ò pa àṣà wa rú, tó jẹ́ kí àṣà wa máa gbéga sí i. Gbogbo Yorùbá pátápátá nílé tó kù iná wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀. Ojú òde ní ti Enitan wàá pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ lórí throne bàbá ẹ̀. Inú ẹ̀ á dùn, ayọ̀ á kún. Bó o ṣe gbayì nílẹ̀ Yorùbá bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló máa gbayì káàkiri gbogbo ayé. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan tí orúkọ mi ni Alhaji Adeyeye Enitan Nollywood group. God bless you. Ẹ ṣé.
À ń fi èmi Yèyé Ọlánìkẹ́, mò ń fi àsìkò yìí kí bàbá wa Kábíyèsí Ọ̀ọ́nìrìṣà Ọ̀jájá. Mo kí wọn pé káre kó pẹ́ lórí, kí bàtà kó pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀. Everybody mọ̀ pé nílẹ̀ Yorùbá lẹ̀ kóòtù òjíire, bàbá wa Ọ̀jájá Ọ̀ọ́nìrìṣà, àwọn ni Arole Oodua. Gbogbo ayé ló ń celebrate pẹ̀lú wọn lọ́jọ́ tèmi. Mo wá ń gbàládùra pé ẹ̀mí wọn á túbọ̀ gùn fún wa, wọ́n á pẹ́ lórí àpèrè bàbá wọn, wọ́n á pẹ́, wọ́n á gbó, wọ́n á tọ́, nígbà kò ní ṣe wọ́n fún wa láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. À máa rí wọn bá. Kábíyèsí o, I wish you happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Thank you very much everyone, love you.
Orúkọ tèmi ni Yèyé Àṣà Èrèlú Ìwàrà, olóòtú àti olùdásílẹ̀ Ifẹ̀ Oòdáyé Communications UK and worldwide. Mo kí bàbá wa Ọ̀ọ́nìrìṣà Ìpìlìbí àti Àkún pé wọ́n kú ọdún o, wọ́n kú ìyèdún o, ọdún 50 ọdún tó ń ṣe lénìí. Ìgbàlẹ̀ a máa lé àwo lénìí bàjẹ́ o, Ifẹ̀ àrójú Ifẹ̀ àráyè. Ọ̀kàrẹ́ o bàbá mi lẹ́yọ̀ Àkún, ajé okun Ọ̀ọ́ni, ajẹ́ra bojú jọjọ òkèlè yímọ̀ rẹ̀. Ọmọládé ọmọ ìbírọ̀ ọmọ jọ̀ǹgbọ̀dọ̀ ní tí gòkè kẹ̀kẹ́ sórí irúsẹ̀ kì í pa òun. Ọmọ aláàrán sí fìrèrè gbé lẹ́sẹ̀. Ọmọládé ó jẹ́ kí n tún máa kí orí mi máa wú. Ayé rẹ̀ ajá o bàbá mi, ò ní dààmú o, ò ní rí wàhálà o. Gbogbo bí ó bá ṣe ń lọ máa dún wa lásọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ rẹ̀ nínú ayé o. Gbogbo hàn tààràpátá náà máa fi ṣe tutù tẹ̀síwájú kan o yẹyẹ. Gbogbo bí ó bá ṣe ń lọ máa dún fẹ́ àrójú fẹ́ àráyé o. Ìtẹ́ ní gbóná mọ́ o, adé apẹ́ lórí, bàtà apẹ́ lẹ́sìn bàbá mi. Ọ̀jájá fìdí ọ̀tẹ̀ jálẹ̀ ọmọ ayíkítí ogun èkìtì ogun. O ṣeun o, gbogbo lé mo kí gbogbo fẹ̀ káàkiri àgbáyé o. A kú ọdún fún bàbá rí lónìí o, Olódùmarè ọba àánú. Á jẹ́ kí wọ́n sọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ lórí ìtẹ́ o. àmì àṣẹ Èdùmàrè ẹ ṣeun o.
Say a very big thank you for the invite. We appreciate Papa Ooni of Ife. I wish him long life and prosperity. Thank you.
Amen, amen. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, sir. Long life and prosperity.
Thank you.
Birthday to our mommy in arrears. Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome. Honorable Peju Okay. I'm the founder of Hope for Sure Foundation from Canada and the Trade Commissioner for the Republic of Vanuatu in Canada. I'm here to congratulate our father, our mentor, my own father, my own friend. A very happy birthday. I wish you Kabiyesi all the good things of life. All your heart desire, all your wishes will come true on your forefathers' throne. Ìgbà ọdún kan, ẹ ṣàṣe ìmọ́dún. Ẹ̀rí bá ti ṣe o, gbogbo ọ̀nà yín á máa là sí lórí ìtẹ́ àwọn bàbá yín. Gbogbo ohun tẹ́ bá ti dáwọ́lé yóò máa yọrí sí rere. Àníkún ọlá, àníkún oore, àníkún ọmọ. Gbogbo ìtẹ́fẹ́ níre lọ́lọ́run Elédùmarè máa máa ṣe fún yín. Baba, happy birthday. You are one of a kind. You are a rare gem. I celebrate you today forever and ever. Thank you. My name is Her Excellency Olakpeju Naomi Okay. I'm the Trade Commissioner for the Republic of Vanuatu in Canada and the founder of Hope for Sure Foundation. Thank you.